My name is Max Levy with Congo Brands, running the business intelligence department that we have. That's going to include software development, databases, and any kind of communications that we need to have interdepartmentally. Congo Brands is a unique business where we are a supplier of many kinds of products that you're going to find in retail spaces, from beverages to supplements, gummies, and other kinds of vitamins. Some of our product lines include Alani Nutrition, which is Alani Energy, as well as the supplemental side of the business. We also have 3D Energy and Prime Hydration, which is our new isotonic. One of the unique things about Congo Brands is that we actually own and develop all of our own brands. So from creation to getting it into the retail store, we control that whole process. We've got relationships with H-E-B, with Walmart, and also with 7-Eleven nationally. So my job is to onboard all the software that we utilize. We needed something that was gonna directly apply to the fact that we're suppliers and distributors who are distributing to national retailers. So that doesn't mean that we were stuck in one state, but we had to exist in all states. Before Kintone, information within teams would be shared through email and through sharing of OneDrive documents or live Excel files, but that was all within one team. So then trying to communicate that information across the 5 or 6 operating teams that we run at Congo became a monumental challenge. Everybody had a different version. One of the biggest improvements we've seen with Kintone is the reduction of those internal emails. A lot of them end up being meaningless communication or trying to catch somebody up to where we were, but Kintone has made it so that that is significantly reduced. The onboarding process with Kintone was great. It actually feels like we have a group behind us. We have people we can reach out to. The Kintone features that appeal most to us are the fact that you have to design and develop your own apps. How we've done it is to create apps that apply to different teams that were previously siloed. What you're doing is you're giving your team a space to work in, and then you can set expectations so that team knows what they need to do. Personally, I don't have a technical background with coding, but what was nice is that the Kintone platform is very user-friendly. It doesn't make you fear the task at hand, but actually you can arrange it, you can drag and drop, you can redo different apps and features, but it's all pre-coded. We created an item master app with Kintone, which is proven to be the most valuable across all teams. Its benefit is that it's available to everybody on the platform. We now have over 100 users, which would include all of our management teams. So for everybody to be able to access that information at the same time, knowing that it's not going to be outdated, was immense for our operations. Our entire company is on Kintone. Actually, everybody from upper management to the people in the field, there's information on Kintone going to every person. I would recommend Kintone to anybody that is looking to scale their business and make something scale proof. You know, the whole goal is to set something you can't outgrow. Kintone allows us to constantly push that downfield.